हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। पहला म्यूचुअल फंड्स है हमारा फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड्स ICICI प्रूडेंशियल ऑल सीजन बॉन्ड फंड डायरेक्ट प्लान ग्रोथ। इसकी रेटिंग है 5। ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। 5 रेटिंग वाला बॉन्ड फंड है ये, ICICI प्रूडेंशियल ऑल सीजन बॉन्ड फंड। ओके, लेट्स मूव। NAV, नेट एसेट वैल्यू 30.3720 रुपीज़ नेट एसेट वैल्यू। फंड की हाइलाइट्स, the current net asset value of the ICICI Prudential All Season Bond Fund Direct Plan of 18 October 2021 is rupees 30.3720 for growth option of its direct plan. Its trailing return over different time periods are 6.33% first year, 10.21% 3 years, 8.66% 5 years, and 10.61% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 4.65% first year, 7.87% 3 years, and 6.3% 5 years. ICICI Prudential. The ICICI Prudential All Season Bond Fund Direct Plan currently hold asset under management worth of rupees 6,124.21 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio, the fund is 0.61% for direct plan as on August 31st, 2021. ICICI Prudential All Season Bond Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load of 0.25% if redeemed within 1 month. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 100. Things you should consider: riskometer. Annual return for the last 3 years 10.17%. Suggest investment horizon 5 years. Fund NAV range 1 month low high 30.340, 30.388. 52 week low high 28.591, 30.388. Riskometer. Asset allocation, investment growth. Equity 0.00, debt 62.86, others 37.14. Enter investment amount 1,000. ICICI Prudential. Exciting investor. Top 5 peer comparison. ICICI Prudential All Season Bond Fund Direct Plan Growth. First year return 6.38%, 3 year return 10.17%. About fund. ICICI Prudential All Season Bond Fund Direct Plan is open-ended dynamic bond debt scheme which belonged to ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the funds is that the scheme seeks to generate income through investment in a range of debt instruments and money market instruments, and the plan aims to maintain the optimum balance of yield, safety and liquidity. It is benchmark against Nifty Composite Bond Index. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implications. The units are redeemed within 3 years of investment. The whole amount of gain will get added to the investor's income and will be taxed as per his/her applicable slab rate. For units redeemed after 3 years of investment, gains will be taxed at a rate of 20%. Post induction benefits. Induction is a process of the purchase price after accounting the inflation into the benefit. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. The portfolio allocation of the debt security primarily have two kinds of risk: interest rate risk and credit risk. While the interest rate movements are driven by the fund duration, credit quality of debt security are based on the average credit rating of fund. Generally, funds with high credit quality will have the weighted average and credit rating of AA minus and higher rated securities. Fund within medium credit quality will hold security having credit rating lying between A minus to BBB minus, and funds with low credit quality will hold security having average credit rating of less than BBB minus. Credit rating as a qualitative and tool that basically assess the credit growth things and financial soundness of a company and takes into consideration several factors including the default rate and solvency of the concerned business entity. Qualitative. The portfolio of the fund has securities with varying the level of maturities. Duration takes into consideration the sensitivity of the average maturity of these securities with respect to the interest rate changes. The average maturity of ICICI Prudential or Season Bond Fund Direct Plan is 4.64 years and duration is 2.46 years. Generally, securities with high maturity are more sensitive to interest rate change, so an investor with a low risk appetite may look to invest in a fund with low maturity and duration versus and category versus levels. All these parameters: average maturity, duration, interest rate changes, credit quality, credit rating, liquidity, etc. need to be looked at in conjunction with each other to determine the quality of portfolio of a fund. Okay. सो गाइस, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है, बॉन्ड फंड है ये ICICI Prudential ऑल सीजन बॉन्ड फंड डायरेक्ट प्लान ग्रोथ. नेट एसेट वैल्यू 30.3720 रुपीज़. ओके, सो गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।